Matthew Ladd with Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT.
Trucks and tips.
Rainy days may stop the mailman, but they do not stop Matthew Ladd and Trucks and Tips. This week, we're going to take you around this beautiful T880 with an ART dump body on it, installed by the guys at Drive Product. Let's go take a look at the truck. So we're just going to take you around the truck today. This is equipped with a 19.5 foot dump body with steel madriers, a small depth tank. The back height is 60 inches. The sides are 42. You'll see here you have one inspection door on it. It's ready to receive a pintle hook someday if they want to change up their application. And we'll show you the other side over here. You have a 110 gallon fuel tank on the truck. And that's the dump truck, equipped with a Cummins engine and an Allison automatic transmission. Just want to say thank you to the whole team at Kenworth Montreal for putting this together. Also the team at ART and Drive Product for putting this beautiful box on the truck. Can't wait to see it go on the road and working. The rain won't stop the truck either. That's Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT, Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.